Over a decade ago, I found my favorite place to stay on Maui, and these Camp Olowalu tentalows are peaceful, fun, and steps away from the water. One of my favorite amenities here is the outdoor shower. There's magic in a warm water shower with palm trees swaying around you, birds calling, and stars peeking through the treetops. If you've ever experienced a place like this, you'll understand why I've always wanted to build one myself. And finally, we are. The first step on our Pacific Northwest Tentalow Forest build was to source the type of propane hot water heater I'd first seen on Maui, and then to test it on our location to make sure all of the variables, things like water pressure and hose lengths, are in place to make sure this is a good spot to start this project. I'll put a link to my Olowalu video in the description below, and I'll also thumbnail it at the end of this video. Fortunately for me, the Gasland company sent me this Gasland G10 Propane hot water heater for this build, and in this video we'll do an unboxing, a temporary setup, and first use in our planned build location. Assisting me today is my handsome husband, and let's be real, he'll be assisting me throughout this whole build. Let's take a minute to go through the unboxing. At our location, we have a little bit of initial site prep to do. Remember, this is just to temp the equipment in to make sure it works well at the spot we picked. I have to say that this was a pretty easy way to start this big project. The Gasland G10 Propane hot water heater was straightforward to assemble, the instructions were easy to understand, and all of the parts that were supposed to be in the box were in the box. Make sure the mix of water and gas levels on the dials are perfect for you. Check the temperature before jumping in because this can get very hot. I love this Gasland G10, and it's going to work perfectly in the spot that we picked. I can't wait to start to build our Pacific Northwest Tentalow. Thank you, Gasland, for getting us started.